Hello, everyone. Welcome back with the additional. The additional, not in today's newspaper on May the 13th, 2023. No, it's the edition of last Friday, May the 12th, 2023. Because in today's, no, not today's, in the Saturday edition, we have no additional with extra puzzles, so we've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the edition of Friday. And we have 3 puzzles left: the letter Sudoku, the Sudoku with 0 stars, and the tectonic with 1 star. Alright, in the evening I will solve the rest of the puzzles. No, not the rest of the puzzle. This is Samurai Sudoku. Yeah, Samurai Sudoku left. I've showed you earlier. This I will do in the evening. It will take me more than an hour, so let's wait for that puzzle. But first, the letter Sudoku number 6434. Yeah, before I start, I always counter printed, in this case, letters. We have here 27 letters, and those letters are unique. The 9 letters that I can use are the E, the S, the N, the P, the T, the K, the R, the Dutch Y, and O. And the goal is to solve this word in the third row. It's a Dutch word. After I've solved this, I will translate this in English. And for letter Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. 20 minutes, yeah. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. How about? Let me see. Which letter can I use? N. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is N in this big square. We have an N in the third row, so no N in these 3 boxes. We have an N in the second row, no N in those 2 boxes. And we have an N in this column, no N in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the N in this big square should be there. And in this column and in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the N should be there. 3 missing letters now in the middle column. One of the missing letter is the letter R. We have a R in this big square, so no R in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the R in the middle column should be there. So 2 missing letters now in this middle column. For the letters O is missing, and that's Y is missing. We have a O in this row, so no O there. O should be here, and that's Y should be there. Alright. P in this row, P in a row below. So last row, the only place left for the P should be there. So we have O in this row, O in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the O should be there. 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letter in this big square is the letter N. We have an N in the third column, so no N in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the N in this big square. It should be there. 2 missing letters in this row. One of the missing letter in this row is the letter T. We have a T in this big square, so no T in this box. So the only place left for the T should be there. About 1 letter is missing in this row. For letter E, E is missing. Yeah, the E is missing. Here also 1 letter is missing in this big square. For letter E, yes, the E is missing. 2 missing letters in this big square. For letters K is missing. And the T is missing. K and T. We have K in this column. No K there. K should be here, and the T goes there. Then. T. How about these two missing letters in the last row? Those missing letters are K is missing and N is missing. K and N. We have N in the last column, no N there. N should be here and a K should be there. And in the last column and in the column next. So in that column, the only two places left for the N should be here or there. We see an N in this row, no N there. N should be there. And in this row, and in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only three places left for the N should be here, here, or there. We see an N in the third column, no N there. Here an N in the second column, no N there. So the only place left for the N should be there. And all the N's are used. I can see. Letter number 1, letter N. Alright, the P in this column, the P in the second column, so in the third column, the only three places left for the P should be here, here, or there. We see here P in this row, no P there. Here P in the middle row, no P there. So the only place left for the P should be there. Alright, the P in this column, the P in the middle column, so the column next, the only two places left for the P should be here or there. We see here P in the third row, no P there. P should be there. P in the third row, P in the second row, so in the first row, the only two places left for the P should be here or there. We see a P in this column, no P there, P should be there. And all the P's are used. I can see. Letter number 2, letter P. Yeah. Well. And now. TT. This is How about Yeah, I'm thinking KK S TT. Need a T here. TT. We have an R here, yeah. R in the first row, R in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the R should be there. R. Yeah, I need an R here. Then. Oh. No O here, no O. No O here, O. Here I need an O. But it's not helping me. Thinking. Yeah, 3 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters in this big square is the letter S. We have S in the first column, so no S in this box here, and S in the first row, no S in that box. So one box left for the S in this big square. Should be there. S, okay. Need an S here. Need a T. Yeah, we have a pair. We have a S and a T. Well, in this big square we have in this big square we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing letters. 2 of those missing letters are the S and a T. We have a S and a T in the first column. So no S and a T in these 2 boxes. We have a S and a T in the third column. So no S and a T in those 2 boxes. And we have a S and a T in the middle row. So no S and a T in these 2 boxes. The S and the T goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. S and the T, S and the T. Alright. Need a K here. KK. Alright. So 2 missing letters now in this big square for letters. O is missing. And the Dutch Y is missing. We have an O in this column, second column, so no O there. O should be here, and that's Y should be there. Alright. That's right. Okay, and now one box left in the second column for the letter. E is missing. Yeah, E is missing here. The O and the R is missing here. O and R. O and R. Well. T cannot be. T. That's why. Need an O here. Alright. Two missing letters in this column for letters. That's why, and a K is missing. That's why and a K. Yeah. Let me mark those. Here also two missing letters in this big square for letters. O is missing, and R is missing. O and R. O and R. Yeah, O and R. Alright. Alright. Three missing letters in this big square. Those missing letters are the R is missing, the Dutch Y is missing, and the S is missing. R, that's Y, and S. 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 We have a R and a Dutch Y in the last column, so no R and a Dutch Y in this box. R and a Dutch Y goes in those two boxes as a pair, so one letter is missing in this big square for letter S. Alright. Need a Dutch Y, yeah. Three missing letters in this row. One of the missing letter in the middle row is a Dutch Y. Well, here can be Dutch Y because we have a Dutch Y in the third column, so no Dutch Y there. Here can be Dutch Y because we have a Dutch Y in the last column, so no Dutch Y in that box. The only place left for the Dutch Y should be here then. Alright. So two missing letters now in the middle row. The O and R. O-R. O-R. We have an R in the last column. No R there. R should be here. And O goes there. So one missing letter in the third column for letter O then. Alright. Two missing letters in the last column for the letters. T is missing. And E is missing. T and E. T and E. No, cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. So we have a pair now. The E and T in this column. The E and the T in the last column. So in the column between, only two places left for the E and the T. Goes in those two boxes as a pair. E and T, E and a T. We have an E in the second row, no E there. E should be here and the T goes there. So we have a T in the first row, T in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places left for the T should be here. Or there, we see a T in this column. No T there, T should be there. Two missing letters now in the third row for letters. That's Y, and the K is missing. Well, we have a K in this big square, so no K there. K should be here, and the Dutch Y should be there. The solution is opstrijken in 14 minutes. Wow. And in English, this will be, I went on, collect, pick up, together, yeah, together, collect, or pick up, Well. That's that word, yeah. Dutch word. Opstrijken. Wow. Alright. Let me continue then. Almost finished. And a Dutch Y here. We have a Dutch Y in this column, so no Dutch Y there. Dutch Y should be there, and R goes here. Alright. So we have a R in the last column, R in the column next. On that column, the only place left for the R should be there. R in this row, R in the middle row, so the row above. The only two places left for the R should be here or there. We see an R in this column, no R there. R should be here. Two missing letters in this big square for letters. S is missing and O is missing. S and O, S and O. We have S in the first row. No S there. S should be here and O goes there. Two missing letters in this big square for letters. O is missing. And E is missing. O and E, O and E. We have O in the first row. No O there. O should be here and the E goes there. Alright, one box left in this column for the letter Dutch Y is missing here. Yeah, Dutch Y, need a Dutch Y here. And I've marked in the first column here the Dutch Y and a K. Well, we have a Dutch Y in this row, so no Dutch Y there. Dutch Y should be here. And a K should be there. Alright, so we have a K in this row, K in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the K should be there. One letter is missing in this big square, is the letter S is missing here. And I've marked those two boxes earlier with the S and the T. We have an S now in this row, no S there, S should be here. And the T goes there. So T and a E, we have a T now in the last row, so no T there. T should be here, and the E goes there. Two missing letters in this big square for letters. E is missing and O is missing. E and O, we have O in this row, no O there. O should be here, and the E goes there. Finish in 70 minutes. And we solve it again, and I like this one, so we do think so, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other two puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.